Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka sorkar jilla kalai tai sani kumno ban penne pensa bat pen khe imbiang ya ka so lang hamaulai kan don masar kabadai ka jaka baden ban sam umdi shakaleng kishnong ka maulai ya kani ka jinga lang la penya documentary rangba u konrad ke sangma harengkat ki officer na kitnat ba pher ringkat ka jingdon lang UMDC ka maulai u ba tai bor lang pathau ubala jushim khiaru nakalyang jong u kumno ban penlong ya ka so lang kabakhuit bat kaba itanan umentri rangba ulaya thu ba ka ne ga jelang ladon lang ru ki officer ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat Meghalaya Basin Development Authority ha ka balaya kren kumno ban penri kam ya ke mission mode program ban pen khuit bat pen km ya ki ki wa kan thop ya ka so lang ha maulai
coming out from my last visit to Maulai Kenton Masar area, where the Umshing and the Solong stream, I had announced that I'm going to take it up as a mission mode program. And the idea is that we will start with these streams, but we want to make this into an example and a model for other streams and other localities and communities to follow. So we are hopeful that this will come out, and we have asked the departments now to come up with a comprehensive plan so that then we can move into action mode. So by 31st of May, we expect the comprehensive plan to be put in. But after this initiation was done, yesterday or day before yesterday, the departments had made a visit to the site and they've met the concerned people and they've done a preliminary study, and that was discussed today, and I have given a green signal to them to go ahead to make a comprehensive plan.
Nakalyang uba pathau ulaong bakidon bun kilat kilenti bat kibun katkum ka juk start menta nakabanta ban penkhut yakani kawa kabalong katalong ban sam bam umdi yakipat ba nong maulai ulaong bakidon ru kibun ha ka bakidon ru ki jat phalang kibala dathung kila banjara ban penkhut yaka
yakani lastang ban penkhi na do samarja khat khandai namar bagadi ka solang gadi ka cika kapa ai yo nong molai brok we bedi kor sakli namar bagadi ka pa bha ki por gulenya ya kapa menta along ka bam trekam shu takada na kalyang jungi ni simkhia bedi shnong marchan jukli si badan apa kadi ka wa solang ya kapa ni lasim ya kata benta pangin rai na kapta pangin berkhut biang pangin wara beng kanam salang bat khamtam kan nong ko berkhut nam tak bam di chungki nong sok snong tu than snong molai pi menakatu singi bo chimista brom chungi wan po molai na tu singi lalum ki panan bar khai bo phale sarbe na tu katalong jogni ko ter ban pet ki benta pangila ban wara na kapta pan phai biang gani ka sakani ka wan banwara ben jikhu ni ko te hadi ke singi na kalyang jung siam ula pha bansanai ko comprehensive report na ki department per involved ba ne khnang ba kan don da ka mission mode bidi ni ka mission ko mulong mai khnang mangila ban sedang hadin da kila ora maki ka proper report insala ban sedang da ka ji trekam nong jong poro ki department bangin ora ni ka nam burom yang ni ko ka ba ki nong mulan sa ki nan kam man jigi man khwai ban sajjan us badan kijing jab susi ya ka mentang imla su banne makani kan ka pilot project ka ban kongdo ban nakani kin certificate ban sikri ki dan ki wa ki badan ko ka celak chu tur ban song sikil ki caka ki pamarjan su ka wa bat ka kalawan ra ka chut bat kijing tu jengki niki nala ki per wan pok song mola jengi ya ka ba bakambiang garkom dia jadi kawa ki ki baca kliak lap tu jadi kawa pelong ni kawa makan kliak mereka pun puliat pertama dari mensua kan dia kawa kaba ki priyo paro nak senang mulai ngi jubran kam ngi justana kuara kena mani ni smart paman nak saja ngi jingi ngi saja bat ngi sit dong do bat nak ni kawa ka kuasa kali kebetulan nampak mulai kami nak ni kawa masalah
kum ki ki buat driver ka sukar kan penangkam ban buat yang itu ko
di menta ka government kana perkhat na kadi comprehensive report na kabakin ai menen kindan ki teknologi ki penangkam na ki department fair kum ka pesen kedan na kajong teknologi but ki department ki pan inbound pa kane nomor pi kidan ki teknologi ka pesen ki pa tang lang ba ki phalang ki bakin bu ki lala ban khut ki ko bat ki kenja ki belong ke ban yarap ban weng jebo japan ki ni bat ki dam ki jing khang Ikini ki nala kamtam bakanum tu sekini cakap kaba nilak pak penera ikan nampurum jadi